Hello guys, welcome to Solidworks tutorial. In this video, we'll make this exercise, so open your Fusion and let's go. First, go to Create a Sketch and select the top plane. Select the center geometry circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 50 millimeters of diameter and press OK and finish the sketch. Now go to Extrude, select this profile. The direction here is symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here 30 millimeters. And operation new body, press OK. Now go to construct, select the offset plane, click here in the front plane, and make a plane here with minus 25 millimeters and press OK. Now go to Create a Sketch and select this new plane here. Now select line, click here at this point, make a line here with 65 millimeters, 0.5. A line here with 30 millimeters, another one here. Now make a line here. Here 30 millimeters. Close here. Okay, go to sketch dimension. This line has 14 millimeters. Okay. Go to constraints, select equal, click here in this line and this line here. That's okay. Now go to create and select project include and project. Click here in this face, press OK. Go to the constraints midpoint, click here in this line and click here in this point, and click here in this line here and click here in this point. OK. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile here. Extrude this 50 millimeters. Operation here is join and press OK. We have this, okay. Go to modify, select fillet. The fillet here is full round fillet. Select the face here. This face here, okay. Press OK. We have this. Now go to Create a Sketch and select the front plane. Select line. Make a line here with 25 millimeters. Okay. And go to constraint midpoint. Click here in this line in the center here. Okay, select line again. Click here in this point. Make a line here with 30 millimeters. Okay. Go to create and select arc. Center point arc. Make an arc here with 12.5 millimeters. That's okay. And select a line, make a line here. That's okay. Go to constraints. Select horizontal vertical. Click here in this point here and this point here. Go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 12.5. Press OK. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile. The direction is symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here is 30 millimeters. Operation join. Press OK. We have this. Okay. Now go to create, select a hole. Click here in this space. The extent will be all. the whole type multi-border. The distance here is 11 millimeters. The distance here is 6 millimeters. And the distance here is 6.6 millimeters. Press OK. Let's make one more in this side here with the same distance here, okay? It's all the diameter here 11, the distance here 6 millimeters, and the distance here 6.6 millimeters. Press OK. We have this, okay? Now go to this side here, go to create a sketch and select this face here. Go to create and select the polygon, circumscribe polygon, okay? Click here in the center of this circle here, make a polygon here, that's okay. Go to constraint, select the horizontal vertical, click here in this line, that's okay. Go to sketch dimension, click here and here, the distance here is 11 millimeters, press OK. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile here, extrude this 6 millimeters, minus 6 millimeters. The operation is cut, press OK. We have this, okay, good. Now, go to create a sketch, select this face here, select a circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 42 millimeters of diameter, press OK. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, click here, operation, cut. The distance here is all, press OK. We have this, that's good. Now go to create a sketch again, select this face here, select this face, select line, click here, make a line here with 42.5 millimeters, press OK. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, select the thin extrude, select this line here. Here, the distance here, the operation is cut, okay? Let's drag this 30 millimeters. No problem, can be more. The wall thickness, 2 millimeters. The wall location, center. Okay? And press OK here. We have this, okay? Great. Now, to finish this, we'll make a fillet here. Now let's make the fillet here. So go to modify, select fillet. The type fillet. Select this add here, this add, this add, this add here, the bottom here. Okay. The fillet here is 2 millimeters. We have this, okay. Good. Now go to add selection set. Select this face, this edge here, this edge. Select the side edge here. The fillet here is 2 millimeters too. We have this. So here we finish the exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more tutorials, and bye bye.